So I'm just making this quick video. In my previous videos I was talking about this Pro Coloured K13 Lite DTF printer. I haven't been using mine very much, so I've got it in vacation mode. I've got it all flushed out, cleaned out, and right now it's just shut off completely. I didn't want to turn it back on until I got a sizable order. However, I did hear about a company called Falcon Transfers. They're out of Richmond Hill in Ontario, Canada. I had to look on the label then where it came from. I heard very good things about them. On the weekend, on Saturday, I did send some designs to them. I've just received the box. As you can see, it's unopened. I haven't opened it. It just arrived. So I ordered it on Saturday. Today's Tuesday, so I received them on the second business day, which is pretty quick. And they sent it by FedEx. And I believe every order over $99 is free shipping. I'm not getting paid to promote them or anything. I really don't know the quality of the graphics, and we're going to find that out now. I figured I'd do a video of the unboxing so we can both see whether they're decent or not. And I do have some graphics that I made previously on this Pro Coloured K13, so we'll see if they're comparable. Now, they do DTF and they also do UV DTF. I ordered some UV decals as well. So if you don't know, UV decals, they'll go on any hard surface, glass plates, wood, anything really. That's a non-porous solid surface. So I'm just gonna try to get this thing cut open here. Alrighty, I'm excited. I just hope the graphics which one is this one? Okay, so this one here. Oh yeah, this is the UV DTF. Yeah. It even says it on there, UV DTF, and I can tell it's a UV DTF because the ink is raised. You can actually feel it. It feels pretty decent quality. So I did, when I sent these files off to them, I did send them. Sorry, I'm not ignoring you. I'm just okay. So this is another UV DTF. What I did. I'm just going to open this, I'm curious. No, this is, how does that say UV DTF? This one here, this is DTF. I'm going to feel that other one in a minute. But this is regular DTF, so these are some decals what I made on the weekend, and then I shipped it to them. Like I said, let me have a look here. Let's get it the right way. These are for the front of a t-shirt. So it's probably going to look in reverse on the camera, but it's not. It's the right way around. But yeah, these things look pretty cool. These things look good. I thought I put a white border around them, but maybe not. I can't remember. Oh no! Well, these look pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm quite impressed with those. So I'm going to just I'm just going to get one. One image I did on this Pro Coloured K13, just bear with me for a second. Okay, so This is one that I did on the Pro Color K13. I did this a while ago, and then I was kind of talking on one of the previous videos. I wasn't sure if this back here, this white, needed to be a little bit more solid, because it does, like, you can kind of see through it. Now on these that I ordered, this I'm going to put them side by side. You can totally see the difference. Like, can you see there? The one that I got from Falcon Graphics is the white's a lot more solid. So that's probably because it was done on a commercial printer. But it was a lot cheaper to order from Falcon Graphics than it was for me to put ink in this thing and get it fired up again, and then have to close it up again at the end of the print. I'm just going to see what else I got in here. Oh yeah, these things look pretty good. I'm impressed. You know, I don't know. I don't even think it's worth owning a DTF print, to be honest with you. I think these companies are going to put a lot of people, or not put people out of business, but they'll put the need to purchase these printers. Yeah, like, well, so these are some decals what I'm going to use on some of these shirts. Yeah, well, those are real good quality. I can't wait to get those pressed on the shirt, see what they look like. So as you can see on this one, I put a white border around. I made these decals. I made them in Corel, and then I sent them over to Canva, and then I used the, I mean, you can do it in Corel, but I use the transparency tool on Canva and the shadow tool to put the white border around. That way you can put these decals on dark shirts or pretty much any colour shirt you want, and they'll stand out. So yeah, quite happy with the purchase. So I just thought I'd come on here, let you know what I ordered, and let you know what I thought about it. But yeah, I mean, overall I'm pretty impressed. Falcon Transfers, I'll be using those guys again for sure. They're relatively cheap. I think I got 10, I think I've probably got about 20 linear feet of graphics by 22 inches, and I think I paid, I want to say it was about, I think it's more than, actually I got about 26 linear feet of graphics, and I think I paid just $100. But it wasn't much over $100. It was like, I think I just reached the minimum for the free shipping. But yeah, so that's it. Falcon Graphics it is. So yeah, if you go online there, just check them out. They're out of Richmond Hill, Ontario, Canada. And yeah, great. I'll talk to you again soon. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.